Hey everyone, so there's no words to explain. I'm sorry that I haven't been making a video, like I didn't make a video last week or the week after that, before that. Did I just say word of the day was porpoise? That's cool, whatever. I painted my nails. They're British flags. Union Jack. News. I not just, like last week, like the starting of this week, I was I was all better, but last week I was really sick. Like, I started throwing up, like, on the weekend, and it was really bad. Um, I got it, my little brother got it, my mom got it, my sister got it, and then we went to my grandma's house, and then everybody else got it there, and I was like, I'm like spreading something, like, this is serious. And then today we had an assembly for Run for Water, and another assembly for Project X, for like ecstasy and stuff. And like two people like died, and then like a bunch of my friends were like crying, and then I was just sitting there like, this is depressing. I felt really bad for the people's parents because it's like their kids. So. Oh, I'm sorry. And then the Run for Water is they run for water. People in parts of, I don't know, like Africa or Uganda or something. I think it's a place. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm like half asleep and I really feel like going to bed. So, because I didn't make a video, um, last week or this last week after that, before that, I will be posting a video tomorrow. It's Wednesday if you're watching this, and tomorrow is Thursday. What day is it today? Uh, Wednesday, April 24th. So it'll be the 25th tomorrow, and I'll be with my friends, so it'll be fun. And, I love you guys. One more thing. Thank you for all those messages that I got the other day. You know who you are. From, your video made my day, and blah, blah, blah. It's really nice. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.